Welcome to Tuesday training. We're going to look at a feature you can turn on to allow your wholesale customers to pay their own invoices. We're looking at the screen as if we are a wholesale customer logged in. So this is one of your cemeteries or funeral homes that order from you. You can see that you can add this section called invoices. I'll show you how to do it in just a minute, but let's look at what your client would see if they're logged in here. So they go into invoices and they can see all the invoices that are outstanding. I think this particular client does have some paid. So if they go to the second page, they can see that they have paid some previously. So if they are on this page, they can view, print, or if you have the inline credit card processing turned on, they can actually pay their invoice. So if they clicked here to pay their invoice, you can see they have the credit card payment or the ability to make an ACH payment if you have that enabled as well, where they can put in their checking account and routing number. And of course, you can add the convenience fee that's appropriate for that kind of payment if that's legal in your area. But the other great thing is they can actually choose to pay multiple invoices at a time. So they can add up some invoices here that they owe. And when they're ready, they can make that consolidated payment. You can see that it does give you the convenience fee related to it. And again, the same interface. So super convenient way to allow your wholesale clients to pay their own invoices. And how do you turn this on? Let's look at that. So we'll go back into your account now. And if you go into your admin section and settings, and then miscellaneous settings, there's a section for wholesale clients. If you go to that, you're going to see it right here. And you just look at the navigation items. This shows what they're able to see. So you're allowing your wholesale clients to place the new order, see what needs approval, go down to this invoices one, check that, and then give it a save settings at the bottom. And then, of course, if you want to charge a convenience fee, you just go to the admin, third-party connections, you go to your Sola integration. If you already signed up with Sola, you're going to see this screen when you log in here, and we can just say what percentage we're going to charge. So we're going to charge wholesale clients 3% for credit card processing. And of course, we can make ACH a different rate here, no problem, and then save that. So those are the steps to get that set up. I think your customers are going to love it. It really makes it convenient for them to pay. And of course, the more convenient it is, the more likely you'll get paid.